A U.S. resident sentenced to 15 years in prison for trying to arrange sex with child in Jamaica. Businesswoman shot dead moments after arriving home from church. St. Catherine Barber suspected of committing suicide. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A North Carolina resident who was found to be communicating with someone in Jamaica about arranging sex with a minor was on Wednesday sentenced to 188 months in prison. Darren Kalmar, 58, of Fayetteville, had pleaded guilty to 2 counts of receipt of child pornography on May 13, 2022. The Hanover police are probing the murder of a businesswoman who was gunned down moments after returning home from church on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as 54-year-old Paulette Baker Frame of Cousins Cove in the parish. Reports are that shortly after Frame exited a motor vehicle and entered her home, gunshots were heard. She was subsequently found suffering from gunshot wounds and was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established by the police for the deadly attack. The Rocks police have launched an investigation in the suspected suicide of a barber in the St. Catherine community Thursday afternoon. Reports are that the body of the man, who was known only as Sanjay, was found hanging inside his house about 4 p.m. by a relative. The police were summoned and the body was removed to a funeral home.